Hello everyone. The appearance of the successors to be Lamborghini Aventador declassified on the patent image. The sport car will be equipped with a hybrid powered plane based on 6.5-liter V12 engine. It's expected that sales of the novelty of the Italian brand will begin in 2024. Watch and comment below what you think about this car. The world premiere of this model will be in the 2023. Please subscribe to the channel and put a like on the video.